So we try to take all that out, and the way we do that, we try to have evenness in everything. That way you have the same temperature, heat in one corner of the kiln as you do in the other. You have the same airflow in one corner of the kiln as you do the other. We do a smooth interior like ductwork. You know, a lot of my competitors, they'll have things in there that actually impede the air inside the chamber. It's probably a small difference, but it does make a difference. So if you can design a kiln not to have that in it, why wouldn't you? So that's why we do that with the smooth interior, so that you have at least near perfect airflow. We saw also in our heating system, whatever it may be, direct fired gas, wood, steam, whatever it may be, we try to keep it as equal as possible in the chamber. I'll use the example of heating coils. Our heating coils, when we put them in, they're done wall to wall. They're stood up in a vertical position, which is the best position to get rid of the moisture in the coils. But we try to do evenness. That way you go wall to wall with the coils, everything's even in one section as it is the other. All of our pipe work is center piped all the way from the heat source, or if it may be gas fired or some other type, we try to keep everything even from the heat source to the wood. We also do several other things. We try to keep the maintenance as low as possible, because everybody knows in equipment, people are generally lazy and don't want to maintain things. So what you try to do is make it as easy as possible for them to maintain it. Thereby we have, in our regular design, we have a fan deck that's you can walk through. You can go up there and open the door and see if there's a problem. You can check your probes, all these things. We make it easy. If you got to fix a fan, you don't have to unload the whole kiln to get to the fan. All you've got to do is go up an access ladder into a fan deck, take your fan off, your motor off, whatever you got to do. Just try to make it easier.